Hey guys, this is Ray. So in this video, it's going to be a little different. We're going to talk about mixing scratches. If you check on YouTube, you're going to find a lot of videos on mixing drums, vocals, all that good stuff. And it's wonderful. But I want to do something a little different. I want to talk about mixing scratches. Now, I've been DJing for many years. This is my setup. I got two Technique 1210s. I have a Vestax 07 Pro. The needle's just like a microphone. If I tap, you can hear that rumble within the speakers. You don't want that. Now, if you're using a DVS system, over here I have Scratch Live. This is regular vinyl. So let's get rid of this. And let's put that to the side. And over here we're going to have a time code vinyl. So if I play this, that's all you're going to hear. So I can go to my Surface and I can load, let's see. It's playing an MP3. It's digital vinyl, MP3. So you're not really going to hear that, the rumble. So that's great. So let me give you a better view. So this is the software and the way it works. As you can see, every time I move the record, software's following along. Pretty awesome.
Down like this.
Right.
Okay, so after recording some cuts, this is what I came up with. Very simple. The cut track, I'm going to solo it. One of the things I like to do to enhance a scratch is a little bit of reverb. So over here, we're looking at the Eventines SP 2016 Reverb. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this plugin in and out of bypass. So this is what it sounds like with the plugin on. I'm going to bypass it. Now, if you want to know more about this plugin, my next video will be on this plugin, so stay tuned. Okay, so here's what I have going on here. I have an API, 558, and here are my settings. Then I have a compressor here. So I'm going to open these together, and let's take a look. Let's take the track off a solo. Let's listen back. Now I'm going to bypass both plugins. And I'm going to take the plugins in and out of bypass. I'm not going to tell you when, so pay attention to the bypass. I'm going to bypass that. So I like what the compressor's doing. It's a lot more tighter. Now you gotta remember the scratches are gonna go in the back. The lead vocals is always important. If there's no vocals and the scratches are the main thing, then you're gonna bring those up. Also, what I would like you guys to do is check out Andre Martinez. He has a video on the same subject and his take on it is pretty nice. So if this is the first time watching one of my videos, subscribe to the channel. Press the bell for future notifications. If you want to talk about what you just saw in this video, post in the bottom. Let's talk about it. Also, don't forget to check the description for useful information. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later, guys.